Oh, hello. Welcome to my library. Assumptions. First, let's create a fake world where we can use easy numbers to talk about how taxes might work. Let's focus on the first three here. If you're making $0 to $20,000 a year, you pay 12.5% in taxes. You make $20,000 and $1 to $50,000 a year, you're paying 25% in taxes. Hey. If you make $50,000 and $1 to $100,000 a year, you're paying 33% in taxes. Somebody making $20,000 a year, somebody else making $20,000 a year, they're both taxed the same, 12.5%, right? They lose 1/8 of their income to the government. They get to keep 7/8. Not bad, right? Now let's say one of these two individuals is unfortunate enough to get a $1 a year raise. This person, we know, $20,000 a year, they get to take home 7/8 of their paycheck. 1/8 of their paycheck goes to the federal government. This person makes $1 more. At this point, it doesn't even matter. We're talking 8 cents a month difference. Nobody's going to notice it. But do we lose a quarter of our income to the federal government? That doesn't seem fair at all. That's BS. This person's making $1 less and taking home a crap ton more. We can all see that. It's not how it works. It's not how it works at all. So let's talk about another scenario. Tax brackets. Okay, new scenario. Two people working the same job. One of them, me, kind of lazy, happy with what he's got, goes home early, takes a lot of vacation. Nobody thinks I'm going anywhere in this company, but get the job done to keep me around. You, on the other hand, doing the exact same job I am. You work hard. You're smart. Your hard work pays off. You put in extra effort. You talk to the right people, and all of a sudden you're up to the promotion. So we all know that the first $20,000 that you were paid, we lost, 7% of. Right here. Boop. You and me both, buddy. All right. We're both making $50,000 a year, though. So the second tax bracket, $50,000. That's the last $30,000 that we made, because we already paid taxes on the first $20,000. Yeah, a quarter of that's going to the government. But who cares? We still got all this money left over. So you're up for that big raise, right? I think it's going to be exactly as much as you're making on top of what you're making. That is a cool, hard $100,000. But how's it break down? Well, we've got a new tax bracket here. See? That last $50,000 you made, you're going to have to give a whole third of it to the federal government. Gone. Ooh, that one hurts more, doesn't it? Because that's a lot more of your money. But if you think about it, you've been taxed exactly the same way as every other person in America for the first portion of what you made. And you only got taxed more when you made more. I'd say that incentivizes people to be productive. I'd say that incentivizes people to work hard. And I'd say that that's about as fair as it could be. I can't imagine sending 50% of my income to the federal government. How would I survive? Well, the truth is, you don't have to. That last person making $100,000 who was in a 33% tax bracket ended up only paying an effective tax rate of 26%. Not bad at all. So I hope this has been helpful, because I really think it's important that everybody knows a lot. They're how we keep our government running, and they're how we, make sure that everybody's paying their fair way to be in this great, great American nation. Thanks. Oh gosh, this got complicated. All right, try it one more time.